Hey everybody, it's Katie with Picture Perfect, just touching base on what we have coming up for February this year. Every time that I make one of these videos now, I get really excited because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get to go outside, it's gonna be great because it's finally gonna be warm. And then it's not. So if you've been keeping up with our channel, a lot of the videos that we've been doing have been in different parts of our office just because it's not okay for me to be outside. It is way too cold. I am ready for some warmer weather. I know you are too, but despite the cold, there's going to be a lot going on with our company this month in February of 2019. So stay posted. We're going to get into that. Stop right here, subscribe. We're so close to 100 subscribers. I want to do giveaways and blooper reels and all the cool things that all the cool YouTube channels do, but that won't be justified until we hit 100 subscribers. So please do that for me if you haven't already, and if you already have, share this video so that we can get your friends and family subscribing so they can stay up to date on all of the important ways that they are making their lawn picture perfect. So just to recap what we were doing in January, we had a lot going on kind of behind the scenes. In front of the scenes, we had our maintenance crews doing some cleanups and winter pruning, things like that. But behind the scenes, we had a lot going on in our office. We were getting numbers ready for 2019, putting finishing touches on our fertilization program. We were mixing things up in terms of our sales side. I'm no longer running sales calls. Our awesome team member, Roger, is going to be our salesperson in the field. So be sure in the comments below, tell Roger congratulations. He's watching these videos along with you to stay up to date on what our clients know. So let Roger know that you're looking forward to working with him this year. We're really excited for this opportunity for him, and we wish him the best as he is making our entire area of our VA picture perfect as well. So on top of that, one of the big things that we were doing this month is taking soil samples. January was big busy time for Brandon, who's the head of our fertilizer division, collecting soil samples and getting them submitted to the lab. If you haven't yet, check out part 1 of 4 in our soil sample FAQ series. This was an awesome project that we did last month to bring information to the soil sample and soil analysis process for our clients and for any DIY homeowners, as well as other service providers that are looking into finding out what's going on with their local soil quality. So where those soil samples are concerned, we've gotten all of the results back already, which is crazy fast, from the lab for the samples that we took in January. So if you haven't received yet the results of your soil sample and you had one taken by us last month, be sure to let us know. We sent those results out through email with personalized feedback from Brandon, so we want to make sure that you get those results so that you can know A, what's going on with your yard, and B, go over any possible corrective recommendations to speed up the process of getting that soil healthy. Now that soil samples for our program clients are pretty much tucked away, we're going to be busy this month getting round 1 of our fertilizer started. This is what we wait for. We are really crazy about our fertilizer system. So we're excited to finally be back out in the field. We have gotten over the trauma of 2018 where the crazy weather that we had was concerned. We're still seeing crazy weather so far this year, but we're hoping that it'll stop. Maybe January was just late to the party and it thinks it's still in 2018. 2019 is the year for success. So if you're not already signed up for our fertilizer program, now's the time to do so, because we're going to be starting round 1 very soon, in the first couple of weeks most likely of this month, depending on how warm things stay. So be sure to wait for your call ahead on that service. We're going to let you know when we have it scheduled a day ahead of time. Otherwise, if you have questions about it, you can reach out to us at any point and let us know. To learn more about what exactly is going on with our first round of fertilizer, which we call our recovery application, check out this video. Right here we're talking about the fertilizer that's in it as well as the weed control. And while you're at it, if you're curious to know about weed control, because I know for so many people they're sick of seeing those fall and winter weeds that break through each season because we take a break from weed control, check out this video right here where we talk about spring weed control and everything that you need to know in terms of what is pre-emergent, what is post-emergent, what are weeds in general, and everything that you want to learn about that process so that you can be covered for this season. So obviously our fertilizer division is going to be pretty busy between finishing up soil samples and getting round one started in terms of actual applications, but our maintenance crew is going to be really busy as well. Since we're not mowing yet, we usually don't start mowing until sometime in March, at the latest in April, we're going to be keeping those guys busy with cleanup projects that are still going on, as well as some winter pruning that we're still doing, things like crepe myrtles, hydrangeas, ornamental grasses, as well as mulch installations. Later this month, I'm going to be doing videos on both winter pruning and mulch installation, so stay tuned for those and be sure to subscribe so that you can know what's going on with those services as well. Again, thank you guys so much for staying up to date with us, following our company, working with our company, and watching our YouTube channel. We're really excited to be able to bring this information to you, so if you ever have questions, comment below. I want to know what your questions are, what your thoughts are. I love getting feedback from people. I have my friends on here now that follow and comment every single video, and that's awesome, but I want to hear from a lot more people. If you want to know more about our services in general, reach out to us as well. We're starting to put out marketing material across the board this season for the springtime, so if you want to get signed up, now is a great opportunity. We really look forward to working with you this year for making your lawn picture perfect, and I hope you have a picture perfect day.